Welcome back. Now, the surge in silver prices has continued. The metal is now up over 110% this year, and this is driven by multiple factors. Manisha is here with all of those details. Manisha.
It has been 1 year that we have seen silver prices kind of double up and more, 110% up for silver in this year in the dollar terms, and in the rupee terms we are up by 120%. 4% of gains in the overnight markets have brought silver back yet again to all-time highs, and markets are looking at various reasons for silver reacting the way it is. One is the dollar index, which has declined by 8.5%, supportive for many of these dollar-denominated commodities. The second is that the US has added silver in the Geological Survey list of critical minerals. That led to that sentiment boost as well. And then you're looking at also market focusing on Section 232 of the US Trade Expansion Act. If that does come into being, then you're looking at silver going further higher as well. It also is about inclusion of silver into import dependence. We also are looking at imports, rather the industrial demand being quite strong. It also is about the physical investment demand, which is at record highs in this year. And then the supply deficit that silver has been looking at for 5 years could continue into a 6th year as well in 2026. So when you look at the global ETF inflows as well, those have been on the stronger side as well. In the month of November, you saw 487 tons invested in silver ETFs. This month in December, it already has crossed 475 tons. So strong buying coming in even at these current levels. Now talk about the outlook for silver in 2026, and that continues to be quite bullish. Most banks tell us that silver will continue to outperform gold in the next year as well. Cities put out a target of $70 an ounce. You have Bank of America, Goldman Sachs talking about $65. JPM is slightly bearish at $56 an ounce, but UBS is given a good $10 range, anywhere between 55 to 65. And then you have the Indian brokerage houses, SMC, Motilal Oswal, putting silver targets to $75 to $80 an ounce on the higher side, while Amrapali Group says 75 next year is a possibility, as much as $100 an ounce of a possibility as well in the next 2 to 3 years.
Manisha, thank you for that. Almost double now, more than double this year has silver. Showing up on stocks like Hindustan Zinc as well. Take your leave on this edition of Business Lunch. Arundhati and I say thank you for watching. Midcap Radar on the other side. We leave you with the Nifty almost in positive territory.
"26 years of CNBC TV 18.